It's Kids Cuisina. I love food.
It's Kids Cuisina, and today we're making a Lion Bar Milkshake. So this is the Lion Bar. You've got some organic ice cream and some milk, and also some blender to put in. First thing you need to do is cut the Lion Bar up. You have to open this up first. This is the Lion Bar. Yum, yum, yum. It's very caramel. So now you have our Breville blender, so we're going to put it up here. Now put it in there. Now we're going to blend it. So now it's all blended up into crumbs. And now I have to add the milk and the ice cream. So here we have our organic ice cream here now. Oops. Scoop. Now I'm going to add the milk. Now we're going to mix it all together now. And there we have it, your your Lion Bar Milkshake. Always remember to share with your brother.
We love food. That's tasty. Ooh. It's like Oreo. So,
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down and put a thumbs up. Bye.
we love food.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like to Kids Cuisina.
We love food.